how to fix the webcam not working on your Lenovo laptop. So whether your camera's not being detected or you're seeing a black screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, first step is to open up the start menu on your computer and then go and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on privacy and security and then scroll down and click on camera. Make sure the camera access is turned on like you see here. Make sure let apps access your camera is also switched on. And if there's a specific application that you're trying to use the camera in, make sure it's also switched on from this list. Now finally, make sure let desktop apps access your camera is also turned on, and then you can go and close out of this window. Now the next step is to open up the start menu and search for device manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to cameras and you should be able to see your webcam from this list. Now all we need to do is go and right click on this, click on update driver and press browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers, select the USB video device and go and press next. Now once you've done this, we're just going to right click on the webcam again, click on disable device and press yes. Now finally right click on this again and click on enable device, and then you can right click on cameras and press scan for hardware changes. Once you've done all of this, close out of this window, open up the start menu, search for camera and click on this app here. You could then check to see if your camera is now working. If you're still having an issue, it could be that the privacy slider is closed shut on your laptop. So if you see a slider button next to your webcam on your laptop, just make sure the lid is open like you see here, and then you should be able to start using your webcam. Now that's how you fix webcam issues on your Lenovo laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.